chicos, buenos días, good morning, feliz jueves, happy Thursday. Vamos a practicar con el bell ringer. Bien, so primero, ¿qué es la fecha? Recuerden, fecha is date y qué día es hoy. So how are you going to answer this like we do every single day? You're going to say hoy es. Today is. Hoy es el 3 de septiembre. Hoy es jueves. Recuerden, days of the week. Recuerden, días de la semana. Y también, ¿qué tiempo hace? What's the temperature like? Again, I'm doing this a day in advance, so I'm not sure what the weather's going to be like tomorrow, but we're going to hope for some sunshine. So let's say it's super sunny tomorrow. You're going to say, hace sol. Hopefully it's nice and hot. You're going to say, hace calor. Está nublado. Hay nubes. Any of those are good, right? If it's raining, don't forget lluvia. Lluvia is rain. Lluvia. Hay lluvia. La práctica, chicos, hoy se escribe en español. The horse is big. Yesterday, your word of the day was horse. Recuerden? Horse. Recuerden? So, número uno, the horse is big. You should have el caballo. Caballo. Recuerden? Horse. Caballo. ¿Cómo se dice is en español? Is. Es. Grande is our vocab word. Big. Grande. And número dos dice, my family and I are short. So we know that my is me, and familia is family. ¿Cómo se dice and? The letter Y, right? But you don't say Y, you say E. So mi familia y yo son. We always forget this word. Son is R, right? We're going to learn Sarah and a Star, relearn it, review it, right, from Spanish 1, but son is R. So mi familia y yo, oh, it should be somos, I'm sorry. Somos because we're nosotros, right? So we're going to learn Sarah here more. So we are. Son is also R, but this is nosotros form. We're going to learn that more coming up here, but this is a review for you. Are short. Now, this is plural, right? It's my family and I. It's plural. So we know that the adjective is bajo, but if it's plural, what does it have to be? Bajos. Don't forget that S there. ¿Cómo se dice el número? 85. You should have 85. 85. And our word today is falda. This is another piece of clothing. So the other day we had vestido as a dress. What is a falda? A falda is a skirt. Not like skirt, but a skirt that you wear. Bien? Y la ropa, again, you're describing your ropa. So hoy yo tengo un vestido azul y zapatos cafés. Right? You might say camiseta rojo, cualquiera. Bien? So adios, bell ringer. Hola, chiste del día. Joke of the day. Let's do that next. So your chiste del día, vamos a ver. If you have 10 apples in one hand and 14 oranges in the other, what do you have? Really big hands. Vamos a ver. Super cómico. El objetivo para hoy, chicos, you'll find this in your lesson overview, like always, every day in Schoology. El objetivo para hoy, vamos a identificar los adjetivos, adjectives, y la hora, time. So we're doing a lot with adjectives today and time. So this is el plan. Vamos a jugar headbands hoy. So because you're an online learner, you're going to see a title, a subject called headbands in Schoology. You can practice that with somebody at home, or you could just practice those vocab words on your own time, identify those pictures, and just practice to make sure you know those adjectives. Vamos a describir personas famosas. Describe celebrities. That is an assignment on Schoology. You will need to do that. Vamos a practicar con la hora with time y vamos a cantar, sing hoy. Bien? Eso es el plan. Okay, chicos. Recuerden, los adjetivos come before or after the noun. I hope that you're at home screaming before. No, after. Always after. Remember? Adjectives come after the noun in Spanish. They also must agree. Remember, we have masculine, feminine, plural, singular. Recuerden. Okay, so repite por favor rápidamente. Alto. Bajo. Gordo. Delgado. What's the other word for delgado? Think about it. Flaco. Repite por favor. Bonito. Guapo. Feo. Pelirrojo. Rubio. Moreno. Grande. Pequeño. Calvo. Bien? Can you do it without your notes? Let's see. Okay, so vamos a hacer la hora ahora, right? That was just review. There's a Quizlet for you to review. Make sure you study those adjectives. Super important that you focus on how they agree as well. Be careful in that celebrity activity. If you're doing, I think Howie Mandel is one of your options. If you say Howie Mandel es calvo, make sure it ends in an O, not an A, because Howie is a male. Bien? Okay, so la hora, what time is it? There's a little plug for High School Musical. Maybe some of you guys are fans. I used to be a fan when I was your age. Moving right along, so la hora, time, right? Recuerden dos preguntas. There's two important questions. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Is what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? A qué hora is a little bit different, is at what time? At what time? So those are your two important questions. Repite para mí, por favor. ¿Qué hora es? Repite otra vez. ¿Qué hora es? Muy bien. Y at what time? Repite, por favor. ¿A qué hora? ¿A qué hora? Muy bien. So we have other vocab words, right? Medianoche and mediodía. Repite, por favor. Medianoche. Mediodía. So this is midnight and noon, or midday, right? So medianoche and mediodía, midnight, midday. Make sure you know those, super importante. Repite, por favor, de la mañana, de la tarde, de la noche, right? So you might say, it is 1 o'clock. I don't know if you're saying 1 o'clock in the morning or 1 o'clock at night. So you're going to use these for clarification, right? This is like your AM and your PM. Bien? Okay. So, what time is it? Vamos a ver. Dígame, por favor, ¿cómo se dice at what time? Or, excuse me, ¿cómo se dice what time is it? You're going to say ¿qué hora es? And then at what time is? A qué hora. Muy bien. Okay, chicos. Después de esta presentación, vamos a cantar. So, we're going to practice time a little bit kind of on your own. We're going to do some activities here in class with different clocks. Make sure you're practicing that time, at what time. Remember, you answer with, what do you answer with? Do you remember? Oopsies, sorry about that. How do you answer this question? What time is it? So if someone says, ¿qué hora es? You're going to answer with, son las. Don't forget that. Son las. The only time you use es la is for una, right? Always answer with son las cuatro, son las tres. Bien? So make sure you do that. Bien? Preguntas, problemas? No? Okay. There is a homework assignment for you to practice time, so make sure you look at that and visit that. Adios!